everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry that I've been MI for so long, but it's okay because it's my channel and I can post when I feel comfortable, happy, and in my own skin. So today I have a shopping haul as usual. Certain things that I got for myself during Christmas and the Pink Friday sale. So combined, some things came before and some things came recently, so just gonna club everything I got in basic essentials, nothing over the top, because I don't believe you have to shop for something just because there's a sale. I feel like sales are amazing when it comes to exploring the products that you always wanted to, and you've just waited for the prices to hit down. Totally agree to that because I'm a smart shopper in that way. I don't believe in wasting money, but at the same time, shop only when you need the thing. Do not buy if you don't need it. So okay, the products that I'm sharing right now are certain things that are new and certain things that are old. The new ones are also because they were at a price, hyped up price, and I was waiting for them to go down so that then I can try and see whether I like the product or not, because a lot of it I've not used before. So starting off with a base product that I really wanted to try, and Nykaa was having this good offer on Elf Cosmetics. So you know that the Elf Halo Glow is very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one, which is super expensive, and we're not wasting that much of money because if you can get it in cheaper, why would you waste that much of money? This is what I got. I haven't used this yet, but I've heard such good reviews about it and I definitely want to give this one a try. So yeah, the next video, which I will definitely post, okay, I'm gonna share of how this product is and does it actually work in the way that it's hyped up. But okay, so let's see. Moving on to again an Elf product which came in an offer with this, which is the camo color corrector. So basically there was some offer of clubbing 2 Elf products, buy one get one free. So I got the Halo Glow and I also got this corrector because as you can see, my dark circles are immensely gorgeous and no concealer can cover them up. So I wanted to give this corrector a shot and see will it work for my amazing dark circles. Okay. So moving on to a product that is like my everyday product. I feel like how skincare is a part of your regime and your daily glow and beauty, this lipstick from Etude is like the same thing for me. It's the fixing tint. I'm not going to give you the exact shade, of course I'm going to give you. It's Milk Caramel, which is amazing if you genuinely love a coral pink color, which is very muted, doesn't look much, doesn't even look like you've applied a lot, but gives that perfect tint. This is that, and I use this pretty much on daily basis. It's my favorite product. Then we move on to something that I realized I should have invested a lot before in, but I don't know why I was waiting for the sale. Even though there wasn't much of an amazing discount, but it was like some 70-80 rupees, which is also not bad. So I got the AHC sunscreen. This is the stick that which is amazing. So normally use the Neutrogena, the 70 SPF sunscreen, the mist one, but I thought that this is something which is amazing to just carry along, because this is a stick and you can wear it on top of your makeup. It does not leave, I've tried this, it does not leave a cast, it does not budge your makeup, nothing. It's something like, if you're going out for a walk or something and you want to make sure that even after 30-40 minutes or an hour later you still have sunscreen on, then I think this is good because just carry it. It's tiny, it's very easy to use, and then just use it over. So it's like an amazing product. This is an investment. This is something which is also very important to your skincare thing. So if you really want to add on something like apart from your normal sunscreen, please apply that, but carry this along, because if you are just in a place where you cannot manually use your sunscreen, just use the stick. So basically now, I've always loved red lipsticks, but I've not loved them on me. I don't know why. I just feel that it doesn't go much with my personality. but still I wanted to try a red lipstick. So the Huda Beauty one, which I have been checking a lot, is the Power Bullet Red lipstick. My god, this looks really gorgeous, and I'm definitely going to give this a shot. And I got the mini version because of course I know that I have red lipsticks. Most of the time I'm unable to use them because I'm not getting the right shade that suits me. So I thought I definitely want to give this one a try, and let's see how this goes. Moving on to something cheap, which is of course from Inside Cosmetics. So I got the lip liners. Okay, I have used this even now when I'm filming the video because genuinely I couldn't wait for these, and these are amazing. The color palette is so good, dude. They have such a good range, and this formula is amazing. It's butter smooth, trust me. Like, just look at it. And the shades are so good. They go with anything, like literally the nude ones, like they are amazing. This is Ghosted. Ghosted happens to be my favorite shade. Like, I've used it 3-4 times already. Like, this is the first thing I used and I really couldn't wait. Like, I could wait for the other products, but I'm like, no, I need to try this because it looked so good. Okay, we did talk about saving money, and that's why I have only one product from the Luxe range, which is the Charlotte Tilbury blush, which I've been eyeing for a while now, and I really wanted to get it, but I was just waiting for like the right time, and I got this at a very good deal, and oh my god, this looks gorgeous. So this is something I haven't even used because it's so pretty and I didn't even want to use it, and I wanted to keep the packaging intact for the video, and then I'm like, I'm then going to use it. So of course I'm going to use all the products and then give a review and let you know how the products are. And don't worry, I am not going anywhere. I am coming back. I'm going to be more consistent this time for sure. This is a promise to myself. So I know I've been all over the place, but if you like this video, or if you like me as a person, or you like anything about me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I feel like a little more followers and a bigger audience would also motivate me to post more often. So if you're watching this, please go ahead and like, share, and most importantly subscribe. Yeah, please. क्या जाएगा तुम्हारा सब्सक्राइब करने में, बोलो. Okay, bye.